Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, back with a new video unboxing a mouse pad. That's right, but this is no ordinary mouse pad. This is the NPETTech N110 model. As you can see here, it comes in a pretty big package. There's a reason for that. Let's open it up, get right into it, and we're going to demonstrate it on the computer desk here. Now you may be thinking there's not a whole lot to review about a mouse pad, but I picked it up and I never had a mouse pad like this before, so let's just take a look. It's like a freaking scroll. Now, really nothing much to a mouse pad. I just wanted something for my desk to give a better appeal to it, add some color to the room. I already have a bunch of color around me. Unraveling it. Wow, this thing is massive. Okay. So obviously this isn't just for your mouse, this is going to be for the keyboard as well. It's going to cover a nice surface of the desk, and like I said, it's just going to bring a little bit more comfort and appeal to my desk, because right now it's just the standard hardwood. I like the feel of a mouse pad just because it's easier to, you know, rub your palm against or whatever. And when you're in a deep gaming session, sometimes those little 5x7 mouse pads don't do the trick. So I went with this guy here, and they do come in a variety of different colors. I went with the purple and black just because it suits the decor of the room. Some of my favorite colors are purple and the teal, as you can see in previous videos I've done with like my Nintendo 64 repainting and everything. But we're gonna jump into getting it set up on the desk, replacing the old mouse pad, and just giving a quick look-see of how it's set up. So here we go. All right, so let's get comfortable here. We have our old mouse pad. Like I said, this little guy, this isn't doing the trick anymore. Let's get this guy set up. There we go for that. And it's not going to be completely center, because I mainly want it for the mouse portion of it. But overall, looking pretty good. Has the rubber backing on it, so it's not going to go anywhere. A couple of the trademark logos on the top left, and the print logo on the bottom right. And yeah, feels good. Feels like a mouse pad. Brings a lot more appeal to the room. Alright, so that's my review of the NPETTech mouse pad. I'm going to have a link in the description below on where to pick this up. So if you do want to purchase one, check that out. Comes in a variety of colors. I think there's like a black and green, a black and blue, the black and purple, maybe some other colors coming in the near future. It's a great mouse pad from what I can tell. My eye is already drawn to it. I'm ready to get back to gaming. And if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.